I wanted to jump on and show you just how easy it is to use our super easy order form when ordering your VBS resources. To start, you're going to go to group.com/VBS, and that will take you to our VBS homepage. From there, you'll click over to our easy order forms up at the top here, and that will be a drop down for all three programs that we have. We have a super easy order form for all three, and it's the same process no matter what program you're using, but for this demonstration, I'm just going to show you one for Scuba VBS. So you'll click over on to your program, and that will take you to this super easy order form. And just as the name suggests, this is the easiest way to order your Scuba VBS resources. It makes everything super simple and does all of the calculations for you, which I absolutely love. To start, you'll scroll down and it will ask you how many students you have attending. For this, I'm going to keep the numbers pretty simple. We'll do 10 elementary and 5 preschoolers. Click submit, and then it will ask for the second step, your auto add item quantities. For this, you can either skip, add key items only, or add all of our suggested items. I'm going to do all suggested items. And from here, you're going to be able to build, review, and add to your cart. It also comes with this handy icon key, so as you're scrolling down, you can see different items and what they represent. From here, you'll see that we have different sections to make it so simple for you to see what you're ordering and what categories they fit into. And it will base the numbers on the number of kids that you've selected for your VBS. For this, you can make as many edits as you need to. For example, if you've already purchased your starter kit, then you can simply click down to 0 quantity. It'll change the total price, and it will also edit your total order price down here. And you can do the same thing for every item on this order sheet. If you want, for example, to increase the number of the student bundle, say you allow walk-ins the day of VBS or you have a lot of late registrations, you can always increase this quantity to include a buffer for certain key items for students. And say you already have something from a previous VBS, then you can also decrease the quantity as well. And like before, it will adjust the price over here, and it will adjust your total order price down here as well. It's making the calculations for you as you go, and again, it's super simple to order your resources this way. You'll simply scroll down and make sure everything looks correct, make any edits that you need to, and if you're not sure what something is, then you can always click on this little eye icon here and it will pull it up right here. It will give you the images, the description, everything you need to know about that item. Just as, again, the name suggests, it makes ordering your resources so simple to do. And once everything looks good, you've reviewed everything on this list here, you'll simply click Add to Cart. And from there, you'll be taken to the checkout page, and you can review the items again, make any changes that you need, and click Checkout. So one last time, that will be at group.com/VBS, and you'll click on the easy order forms up here and select the program that you're using.